Breathe out. Alright, go on.
Hi guys, it's been 1 month since my big chop.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel, Golden Roots. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my daughter's big chop and how it's been 1 month since we cut her hair. She's loving it so far and we've just been keeping it in protective style. So we just wanted to update you guys on how her hair is doing so far. So we decided to just do cornrows as a protective style, but just to give you guys an idea on the length of our hair now, and we'll wait and see until it's long enough to start braid locks. So for now we're just enjoying this journey. She is anyway, so yep. So just something simple. Also note that her hair is too short, so it was kind of tricky picking at it. It's not the best job, but it's cornrows for beginners. Like I said, I'm not really good at cornrows, but I tried. And that's our baby in the back. Turn around this way. And something simple. Alright, so
Thanks guys for tuning in and make sure to thumbs up and subscribe.